How to fix Telegram theme not applying. If your Telegram theme is not applying properly, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. Start by going to your Telegram settings, then tap on chat settings or appearance depending on your platform. Choose your desired theme again and make sure to tap apply or fit. If it does not change, close Telegram completely and restart it. This often forces the theme update. Still stuck? Go to your phone settings, clear Telegram's cache, then try changing the theme again. Avoid using the third-party themes or modded apps, as these can conflict with Telegram's official settings. If Telegram is outdated, update it from the App Store or Play Store to ensure compatibility. If you are using Telegram web or desktop, themes might not sync perfectly. Make sure you are setting them individually for each device. Have you tried any custom Telegram themes before? Drop your favorite one in the comments below. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.